It's another episode. Hello.
Hi.
We didn't really get an introduction today, but we've set up and I went to chuck for some bait over at the boat ramp and just got a look, because I don't have a 12 foot at the moment, got the 6 foot and we've just loaded up on prawns. Oh, tangle. Okay then, thanks for that. Oh. Oh.
Not bad size prawn.
They are good size, man. Didn't expect this at all. Look at
I
them.
talked to him the other day and there was 3 big tinnies went up those.
Yeah.
Oh, man, you should see the nets they had in.
They blocked them off there, the couple 100 metre ones, eh? Oh yeah, I could see them moving.
Not a lot, but a few there.
Yeah, well, we'll just add them.
There's probably more underneath here.
Yeah.
Just right. Just there.
Okay.
Right, yep, right over them. We've got a few.
Yep. Oh, skipped out. Lucky bugger. Oh, yep.
Oh, you got more family over there. That'll fly if you get hurt.
Yep. I'm gonna try this popper and see how we go. We're gonna go up here next to the snag, try to flicker out around there. On your way out, if you're going you're packing up anyway, so it's not too hard just to grab the rubbish you see along the way. Sort of helps out.
Hi guys!
Hello! Well, back to Camp Misguided compound. We just kicked the fire over. Get some hot coals cranking. Alright, got to add salt to the water. So we'll do a palmful of this salt. We add extra. The pot is boiled. We'll get ready to chuck the goodness in. Check if she's boiling first, eh? Hey, look out. Move it to the side. Get her in there. Alright, well, while we wait for the prawns to boil for the next like 5 to 10 minutes, we're going to make the homemade tartare. So first we're going to start with a little bit of traditional mayonnaise. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 4 scoops of the mayo there. The pickles, we just need a little bit of a hint of pickles. We don't want to drown out the mayo here, so we'll just go like just a little bit under a full scoop, and go a little bit of mustard, and that's just a little touch of that. And before we mix that all together, we'll get just a touch of dill. Do a touch of dill. We just try and chop this up finely. Okay. So we'll add all that. Okay, so we're gonna mix all that dill together. Yeah, she looks about ready, so we'll just take her off and sit her to the side. Let her cool off for a bit and finish cooking. Oh, drain them. So there we go. Alright, now we're gonna chill them a bit. Oh, get our deadly sauces out of it. Look at this, lads. We got about half a kilo there. She's all cooked, ready. Had to put them there to make them look deadly, eh? Yew! We'll just put a squeeze of lemon in the tartare and mix that now. Oh, I must have a cut on my finger. Yeah, we'll try that. All right, you gonna try this?
Yeah.
All right, because Daddy's gonna dig in. Here we go. Some people get into special ways of peeling prawns. Peel the bugger the way you want to peel her. What sauce you want to try? Tartare? Or seafood?
Nothing.
Okay, have it deadly.
Go.
Go on, Nim. But let's have a dig at it, eh? Yep. Never waste that part. Yeah. Don't want to say that what it was, but up ya. Don't waste that.
No,
Let's
like
dig in.
that too.
This is a tartare. I'm gonna give the tartare a go. That's amazing, man. You wanna try that?
Yep.
Yeah, you taste this. Taste the sauce. Nice?
You person don't need things set. See?